si KD at nandito ako ngayon para sa aking KD Show, okay? So, ano ang topic ko ngayon? My topic is positivity. Ano po ba yung ibig ko sabihin dito? Ibig ko sabihin dito ay being positive person. Okay? So, bakit kailangan itong pagiging positive? Importante yung positive ka. Dahil kapag ikaw ay positive, you will attract positive people in your life, positive events. Basta positive, puro positive sa buhay mo. Dahil kapag ikaw ay hindi positive, kapag ikaw ay negative, syempre puro negative na lang din ang ma-attract sa buhay mo. Ano ba yung mga negative? Mga kalungkutan, okay? Kabiguan, okay? At kung ano-ano pa mga negative. So, paano ba maging positive person? According kay Anthony Robbins, isang sikat na motivator, number 1 technique is see it as it is. Okay? See it as it is. Okay? Because Anthony Robbins doesn't believe in positive thinking. Okay? He believes in intelligence. Okay? So, kaya sabi niya, see it as it is. Okay? So, number 2. And then, see it better than it is. Okay? So, ang ganda, di ba? Huwag puro positive ng positive thinking. Okay? Sometimes, ang pagiging positive thinking, napapaasa ka na lang. Okay? So, ang gawin mo, unang-una, see it as it is. Kung ano man yung situation. Okay? See it as it is. Then, kapag nandyan na, see it better than it is. Okay? Look at the brighter side nung situation na nag-appear, na nandyan. Okay? Hindi yung halimbawa, merong negative situation na nakita mo. Okay? Nag-appear sa Facebook mo. Okay? Ang sama, sa tingin mo, masama, grabe. Diba? So, ano ang dapat mong gawin? Either umiwas ka or see it better than it is. Kung walang better doon, then iwasan mo na lang. How to become positive? Yung iba, ginagawa nila, pinipitik nila ang sarili nila tuwing merong negative something na nagpa-pop up sa kanilang isipan. Okay? To become positive, kailangan every time na merong negative sa isipan mo, iiwasan mo yon. Don't talk about it. Huwag na huwag mong i-mention yon kahit kanino. Okay? Train yourself to be positive. Positive, positive, positive. So, you become a positive person and then you will attract positive events, positive people into your life. Okay? So, huwag na maging negative. Okay? Always positive. And that's all for today. Ako si KD. If you like this video, you may share it. And if you have something to say, please comment below. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Search for Kevin D. Okay? And that's all for today. This is the KD Show. And magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa mga susunod na video. I hope na meron po kayong natutunan dito. So, God bless and more power to you.